Welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to be going over email marketing strategy for 2021. So the question is email marketing still a thing? So I haven't had I don't know if I've put out any videos regarding this topic about email marketing, but email is definitely a big part of my business and a big part of most people that are doing an online business. Even actually offline businesses, brick and mortar stores use email marketing as well. So it's a big thing to have, a big tool and strategy that you should have if you are doing any kind of marketing. And I hope these tips will help you in 2021. So let's go. So the top 5 tips for email marketing in 2021, I want to make sure to let you know to stay tuned, and I'm going to show you the inside of my email autoresponder account and the growth that I have had. And also, if you're new to the channel, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my next videos. So the first tip is email is still the most effective online marketing tool, and it is still growing. So I can actually go and show you, even this weekend on Sunday, I was just kind of a little bored at home. And so I went into the office and looked for an offer that I could send to my list. And I sent out an email to a very few amount of people, and I made a sale within an hour. So that's the power of having an email subscriber list. You're able to send them updates. You're able to get in touch with people that want to learn from you, that are interested in your product or service. And then also when a good, software or a good product comes up and you want to tell them about it, then you're able to send out an email. And, I do a lot of review videos, especially for my coloring books and such, that I will also go the extra mile and make a review video. But you don't always have to even do a review video. You can literally just send out an email and then make sales. That is so powerful. There's no other tool quite like it where you can intentionally send an email and make sales. So people are signing up for email newsletters now more than ever. So use this to your advantage and create a top quality newsletter for your audience. So tip number 2, people want authentic and positive content more than ever. So what that means is, you want to be genuine, and you want to be unique in your emails, and you want to keep it positive. People, we've had a rough year. 2020 was a very rough year, possibly the roughest year that some of us will ever experience in our lifetime. And, so when people are going to choose to open up an email, they're going to want it to be, not a robotic email or spun content or anything like that. They're going to want it to be somebody that's really talking at them and letting them know that they're important and being positive and kind of uplifting them and maybe make their day. Try to make your subscribers' day when you send out an email to them. Try to have a conversation with them and take it serious, because the subscribers that you have on your list, they're real people. So if you write your emails like you are talking to real people, then you have, your subscribers are going to really notice that, and they're going to appreciate that, and they're going to keep opening up your emails. Tip number 3, build a business based on a newsletter. You can charge for your premium newsletter, and it's recommended between $10 to $20 per month for every subscriber that enrolls in your premium newsletter. So this is a good way to make money in your business as well. So that brings us to tip number 4, personalize your email as much as possible. This does go a lot along with the second tip up here, authentic and positive content. So, putting all that together with the personalizing your email as much as possible, people are going to resonate and connect with you when you're being authentic, you're being positive, writing positive content, and you're also being personal. Tell them a little bit about yourself. Be, what did you do this weekend? I notice some of the people that I'm subscribed to, and they'll start off their email with, we were able to go snowboarding this weekend. And or tell them that, you just moved, you're moving from one house to another and how tough that was. Maybe 20 or 30% of your email should be personalized and letting your audience know a little bit more about you, and only sharing those things that personal stuff with your subscribers. So that is kind of a little bit of bonus content that they get that they wouldn't maybe get from any, like your website or your YouTube channel. So you can also say thank you and have a call to action in each email. The call to action does not have to be selling something to them. It can be giving away something for free or sending them to a resource they might enjoy. So keep that in mind. So then this final tip is use a no-code email service. So believe it or not, there's still email services out there that, are very basic. And that if you want a bold text, you're going to need to know HTML coding and all that. So, definitely join an autoresponder that is, like GetResponse or Aweber, ConvertKit. There's all kinds of different ones, MailChimp, that are going to make creating and sending out emails much, much easier and much faster than ever. And so it's important to just make sure that you mark that box that you shouldn't be doing coding. Even if you know how to code, and that's great and all, you can still, it's still going to take longer to create your emails if you're not using, a platform that is more modernized. So it'll make your job much easier, right? So I got a bonus tip real quick. So if you're on a budget, that's fine. You can build a list with free organic traffic. This will take time and will be much slower than if you have a budget for marketing. If you have a budget, then you can run Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, or run solo ads for faster traffic. Use tracking codes and do split testing so you can optimize. And each time you run a campaign, you will get more bang for your buck. I'll make a specific video on how to do this later. So let me show you some of my list activity to show you how much email marketing is still important to online business and why you need to start building an email list too. So I'm inside my email account and I used GetResponse. If you are interested in checking out GetResponse, they do have a free trial. So you can click the first link in the description of this video and it will send you over to GetResponse. So I've used Aweber, I've used GetResponse, I've used MailChimp, I've used all the main ones. And I think just for what you get, the ease of use and the pricing, GetResponse is my favorite, and I've been using them for the last 2 or 3 years. GetResponse is my top recommendation, but the other ones are great too if you want to check them out. So I can walk through this stuff in another video, but I just wanted to show you if I went to like lists, for example, and then it's sorted over here. I have a make money online niche or list, and then I have another one here from a while back. And then I have a list for only people that are interested in like low content publishing and coloring book type stuff. So that list is rather small. And then I had, just to show you the power of PLR, the power of an email list. I had created this landing page right here a while back, like a year ago. And I guess it was on July 9th, so it wasn't too long ago. And I all through organic traffic, no ads or anything, I built this list of only 25 subscribers. But then when I went and created my course on PLR Profits Academy course, and I sent out an email before it went live public, and I was able to make like 6 to almost 10 sales. Almost 10 of these people converted to sales before I even launched it publicly. So that's the power of email, building a list of people that, if I go over here and I go to landing pages, and I'll just show you that landing page. If I come over here and there is this right here, we can click on it. And this is what people saw. I just put a link in my description of my YouTube channel. Learn all my secret methods of making money with PLR content. Premium course launch soon. Get on the early bird list for 48-hour early bird access. So those 25 people filled this form out, right? Pretty simple form. And then what I did was I went and used the power of email and sent an email out to this list. And I made 10 10 sales before I even launched the course. So that is the power of email marketing. That's why you should implement that in your business as well. As you can see right here, I just created this list on January 15th. So it hasn't even been 2 weeks. And I've already have 12 people on this list right here. And I can also show you a little bit more about that business as it takes off. I will share that more with the channel as well. And then you can go to reports and you can check an email that you sent out. For example, I sent out, let's see, a list. I sent an email out to, like my last email I sent out this weekend, got 38 opens, 10 clicks. So a 14% open rate, only a 3% click-through rate, but I made a sale. On Warrior Plus, I made a sale from that, which is really cool. And then you can also go over here to subscription reports real fast, and you can select a couple of these. And that's no longer my main list anymore. This David Mills Make Money Online, but I will select a couple others to throw in there, the ones that are the most active, and we'll look at that real quick. And so, if I've had in the last 28 days, I had 37 people join the list. It's not a lot of people, but guess what? If I'm not implementing this, then this is 37 people that I would not be able to, send an email to or market to, when I want to. So if I come over here and then just go maximum, and then this is really what I wanted to show you, is that the power of email marketing in 2021. If you look at 2019 and then 2020, and then it's just completely growing in 2020. Look what happened in 2020. Boom, boom, just skyrockets up there. And then look at January 2021. We're still growing like crazy. So it shows you that in 2021, you need to jump on the bandwagon. You need to start building an email list. So I hope that you enjoyed the video today. And if you did and you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out on my next video. If you're interested in GetResponse, check out the link below. I'll see you in the next video.